Bro, right here, I'm gonna show you right here, proof that men love booty pics. Oof. By the video's title, I know you guys can tell that obviously the R33 is done. I'm excited about today because with this build, we were a little ambitious. I'm not gonna say it's the only one out there because there's really no way of telling, but I now, as of today, have one of the only successful front clip GT-R swapped 4-door R33s out there. And I'm really excited. We got the paint finished and that's all. We're just gonna go ahead and go and not mess around. I'm stoked. Now listen, I know you guys are excited to see the color, but I want you guys to stick around and watch and pay attention to like the detail, the amount of detail that Jose has put into the car. Delira's been teasing me a lot for weeks. I haven't seen the full car yet. I've seen the color and I've seen how it's come out. Oh my God. I can't even see it yet. It looks so good.
Oh my gosh, the reflection.
Dude, oh my God. I literally can't like stop smiling. But here we go. Here is the R33, the full restoration. We decided to go with, oh my God, dude. This is like better than OEM paint. Dude, this is insane, man. Oh my God, look at that reflection. Dude, and look at the freaking body kit, man. You can't even tell. You can't even tell that this car didn't come with wider fenders. Dude, you're a madman. You're a beast. And all of the black trim has been redone. Oh my, you redid the windshield wipers, bro? You're crazy. Look at this. It literally looks, it looks like this car came with, look at this. No, dude. Oh my gosh, I kiss you right now. This is crazy. Oh my God. So, okay, so now, oh my God, man. You just went to the wrong side? Nice. So you guys had to move up the latches, I'm assuming, or move them back, or?
It's a way that if we move them any, they'll get in the way of the cow.
Okay, so you made this little piece?
Yes.
You literally made that.
Wow.
And it's reinforced steel. It's not like metal. So.
Oh my God, dude.
So
you polished, and I guess you said you clear coated the headlights?
I did the black
Oh my
around too.
God.
I guess it was all painted, so.
Dude. Yes, the black trim around the headlights.
Your attention to detail is
This is like
unreal.
the most, dude, this isn't, honestly, like, I knew you were good, Jose, but this is like way better than I thought. So you clear coated the hood as well?
And ceramic coated it too.
And ceramic coated the, oh my God, dude, I literally, like, this is my coolest car. This is now like the coolest car I've ever owned. For sure. Oh my God, dude. I'm still like in disbelief. So like, okay, obviously you guys know this body was narrow stock. We had to get door extensions to line up with the body. These are, oh my God, the jams and everything are just like perfect. This is insane. Dude, look at this, all molded on.
And then this.
You painted all these little things? Dude, you're freaking crazy, man. This is awesome. And then all of this is done well. I mean, I don't know if you guys remember, but this had some freaking dinosaur crackle type crap paint on it, man. And oh my dude, like the reflection and stuff. So I hope you have a little bit extra paint.
Yes, I have a lot.
I just got a wing.
That's fine.
For this. Dude, he even, I guess, so you scraped off the paint on the skyline part? Like this, they literally roller painted over that. Yeah, it's got some wax and stuff, and that's fine. It's now sparkly. You repainted all this. And the bumper, like.
And look, you don't see those little holes?
I don't know what exactly you said you did, but like the fiberglass, you blocked it or something, and it doesn't look like you painted on fiberglass. Yeah, it almost looks like.
I guess when they don't come like perfect. They're kind of like wavy or whatnot.
Yeah.
So we try to like align it as best we could with the actual body and then go from there.
Dude.
Go building it up. So when you take the tail off and put it on, it's all like tight.
Dude, you're a beast, man. You're crazy. This is gorgeous. So here you go. Lo and behold, R33 GT-R front clip swapped and R33 GT-R widened rear R33 four-door. I guess next is the RB26, but we'll wait on that. We got some power mods for the 25, and we'll see if we blow this thing up. But God, dude, this is insane. I really want to take it out in the sun and see, and then we'll pull it back in and tell me how to take off the bumpers and stuff like that. I'm a child right now. I'm so excited. I want to see, but I really want you guys to see the color out in the. Oh my God.
Yeah.
I want you guys to see the color out in the sun. I'm gonna just look at it for a second. God, dude. Holy.
Wow.
There's literally no words that can explain my thoughts and reaction to this. Bruh. Look at the color, man. I chose the Midnight Purple 1 because I think it's the best looking midnight purple. The 2 and the 3 have like some weird, ugly like flake and stuff to it. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Boy. This isn't even fair to my other cars. All my other cars are so lame now. Look at this carbon fiber, dude. It's so beautiful, and it's got clear coat on it, so it's not gonna like fade. He even did some Bondo work right here to make sure it actually fit with the GT-R fenders and stuff. Did a lot of heavy work there. Just that kit just looks so good with the car, and it sticks out and flows with the rear fenders like, oh, it's just too far zoomed, so perfectly. And like the fenders, like just having that wider body is just so awesome. Dude, look at this hood. Oh, it's gorgeous. I can't stop looking at it, boys. This is like this is like the craziest restoration. I mean, this literally was a full restoration. There was no messing around with this project. It was beat to hell, it was ugly, and it needed some love, and it definitely got it. Bro, right here, I'm gonna show you right here, proof that men love booty pics. Oof. Damn it, Jose. Oh, I love this car so much. It's too bad I'm giving it away. I'm just kidding. No. This is absolutely crazy. Every single angle of this car looks good. Where's Jose? I'm gonna give him a kiss. Where you at? Where you at, Jose?
Stop. Stop. You're hitting. There we go. Whew.
Putting the bumper back on because I don't want it to get scratched by anything rolling around in the back. And so you guys might notice the wheels poke out just a little bit. It's because there's a 25 mil spacer on it right now. These wheels actually hit the caliper, so I'm gonna put some 15 mils on in the meantime. But I also have, I might just seek out some different like actual like JDM wheels And I was already planning on doing another exhaust, but it'll be nice to actually have an exhaust that comes out to the length of the of the kit now. All right, we're ready to take her home. Jose, get back in the shot. I appreciate you, man. It's been a long road, but man, I tell you what, he did such a good job. If you guys need any paint, bodywork, anything, this work should speak for itself. Come see my boy Jose Delira. I'll put his Instagram in the description. Go follow him. Look at that face. You can't not follow that face. Here we are. Wow, you guys. This ain't y'all's first date. Yeah, y'all can't date. Y'all are family. Bro, this is insane. This looks absolutely incredible. It was so worth the wait, and I'm so glad. I am so glad I chose to give it to somebody who is more capable than I was to get it done correctly. I'm so thankful for Jose. Like, seriously, I couldn't have done this without him. I'm so grateful for him and the work he did, like him and his brother, constantly, like just hours and hours and hours a day grinded on this. And man, I tell you what, dude, it turned out amazing. If I wouldn't have just sucked it up and said, you know what, nah, somebody else can do this better than me, I don't know what it would look like, but this is insane that he got it to look like this. It actually looks like there's no kit on it, even though there is. It's crazy. Sometimes in life, you've gotta humble yourself down and take a hit on your ego. Everybody has an ego, and I know there's people watching right now that are about to click out the video. They're like, oh, I don't need to talk about my ego. Some people need to let it go. Sometimes it is so helpful in life to be humiliated, or even, like, not that this is like humiliating. I'm not relating that, but I'm just saying my daily advice for you guys, look for opportunities to be humbled, because that grows your character so much. Don't ever let pride get in the way of relationships, whether it's in your job, your family, or whatever. Like, don't ever let pride get in the way of that. There's a lot of people that do. I've had people that I know, pride gets the best of them, and there's just big tension because of it. So I want you to let go of that today. Look for opportunities to humble yourself. That's it, dude. I'm stoked. This was an incredible restoration. We quite literally restored a horrible condition R33 and turned it into a 4-door GT-R sans the RB26. But we got an RB25 that we're about to do some big turbo stuff on right here. Oh, what's that? Oh, T4 twin scroll? Nice. You guys make sure you check out Delira Designs on Instagram. His link is in the description. And I'll see you guys later. Oof, ready for this? I'm not even gonna peace out to you guys today. You're just gonna get a good look at the GT-R. I need to put that back in. Oops. All right, actually I'm gonna peace out, bye. Awkward. By the way, you can probably hear my dogs barking in the background. Pretty cool, right? No, what's cooler is if you watch those 2 videos right in front of you and keep watching Evan Shanks videos, because that is sick. And I won't ever do that again if you watch those 2 videos. Bye.